Today's video, I'm going to be talking about some brand new mascaras that came out from the brand Colourpop. So if you're interested on these new BFF mascaras, stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. To all my new subscribers, welcome. To my existing subscribers, thank you for watching. And if you've just found my video for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and sign up for my email newsletter as well, where I'll have more information on anything that I talk about here on YouTube. So, without further ado, let me go. So today's video is about a brand new collection from the brand Colourpop. Everybody knows Colourpop as this brand that they bring out these very affordable drugstore price products, pretty good quality. I have reviewed some Colourpop items in the past. Some of the items that I have are some of my favorite makeup products in my collection, but I was very excited when I saw that they were bringing out a new mascara collection that consists of 7 colored mascaras. You know I love colored mascaras. I have put out a video in the past about some of my favorite colored mascaras that are easily accessible. I will link to that video down below. But Colourpop kind of really made my day, and I was real excited to just order some of these products from them. For whatever reason, beauty companies are not bringing out a bevy of colored mascaras. I love using colored mascaras just to kind of give any of my makeup looks a little bit of an extra pop, an extra bit of color, and it's an easy way to incorporate color into your routine without doing something too extraordinary or extravagant. I usually, especially if I'm going to work, I'll have a very neutral eye, and then I might pop on a little bit of a blue mascara or a more orangey tone mascara, something very simple. And especially when you step into the daylight, people are like, oh wow, you know, your mascara looks a little bit different. I like that color. Great way to incorporate color into your looks. And I especially love pairing different colors, complementary colors with the eye colors that I'm using, or even the lip color that I am currently wearing. So usually a brand will have a black mascara, they might have a brown mascara, and then occasionally they'll bring out some kind of a blue mascara, and that's pretty much it. But Colourpop decided to bring out a collection of 7 mascaras. One of them is a black mascara, the rest are colored mascaras. So I was real excited. Went online and bought 5 of the colors. I did not buy 2 of them. I did not buy the black mascara. I did not buy the yellow mascara. Because black, you know, you could get black anywhere. And yellow, that was the one color that I felt that I would wear the least out of all of the other colors. But I have 5 shades to show you, and I'll give you a brief, you know, description of this mascara. So this is the Colourpop BFF Mascara. It's a volumizing mascara, and on the website it's $8 US. But Colourpop always has a sale. You can find a discount code lots of times, so you can often pay less than that for the product. So this, they say that this particular product has a unique shape to its wand, a unique nylon bristle wand that combs through each lash from root to tip, and that makes the color more buildable, so it never is clumpy and it doesn't flake. I personally found that was pretty true. I did find that the product was pretty buildable. The formula is a nice robust formula without it being too thick. It does have a slight glossy sheen to the formula, and it's a regular bristle style brush as opposed to those comb brushes that I prefer, the bristle style brush, and it gives good volume, I believe. And yeah, I really liked how this looked. So without rambling anymore, I'll just start showing you these products. So I will put in pictures of the mascara as I tried them. I tried them on bare lashes. I have no makeup on. I didn't want anything to kind of distract from the actual color of the product. So I'll insert pictures as we go along. So I have 5 shades. First of all, the packaging. The box is very whimsical, I would say. A very, very pale lavender box with of course, the name in a foil finish. The name is in an iridescent holographic foil, and then there are colored foil decorations along half of the box, and the colors correspond to the different colors of the mascara. And then the shade label or the shade name is in the same shade as the actual mascara. So you know that this one is the lavender toned mascara. Nice packaging. And then when you open the box, each mascara comes in a very substantial, I would say, white packaging with the color of the mascara at the end on a label, as well as color decoration on the cap of the mascara in the color of the particular mascara. And the finish is this really nice foil finish that matches the outside box. So this is what it looks like here. You're getting about 7 grams of product here. So nice packaging, nice hefty size. So the brush, as you can see, the brush is your standard looking bristle brush. It does dip in a little bit in the middle, so that the bristles in the middle are a little bit shorter than the bristles at both ends. And I found that this applied mascara very well. I did not have issues with clumping. I thought that the formula was smooth enough, so I was able to build it up where I didn't get a lot of flakiness or clumpiness. So after applying all of these shades, I felt as if the mascara was definitely buildable, definitely did not flake, at least upon first application, but I didn't think it gave me the most intense volume. It definitely gave volume. As you can see from my before picture, I have very tiny lashes, and it definitely brought out my lashes a lot more. But I felt as if it also had good separation. So it gives you some volume, but it's not the most super volumizing mascara that I've ever tried. And if you remember from my last video, I don't buy colored mascaras for volume. I only buy colored mascaras for the color. So I always will pair my colored mascara over my black mascara. So I'll take my favorite black mascara or mascaras, because I oftentimes do double up or use multiple mascaras in one sitting. So I will apply that mascara, my black mascara, whatever it is, volumize my lashes, etc. And then I will go on top of it with a colored mascara. And I also find that the black of the mascara intensifies colors, which is why I prefer to use a black mascara over a white primer for these kind of products. I often find that the white primers wash out or dilute those colors a little bit. So that's a tip. If you want to intensify the color of your colored mascara, you can pair it over a black mascara. So anyway, 5 shades. I will start with the one that I'm currently wearing, and I will of course insert a close-up picture. I am wearing this blue mascara. So the blue mascara is called Blue Your Mind, and it is described as a cobalt blue. This is a gorgeous, 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 bright electric blue mascara. It's one of the brightest blue mascaras that I have found. It's also very rich in color, so it's not like a light blue. It definitely gives you I am here blue mascara. I really love this, and you can see I'm wearing a very neutral eye, a little bit of a smoky eye with the blue mascara, and I have a very intense plummy purple lip. So that's one of the ways that I like to pair my mascaras. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is Blue Your Mind, and you can see how intense that blue is. I also have the L'Oreal Voluminous Blue Mascara, and at first glance they look very similar in the tube, but I do think that the Colourpop mascara is slightly brighter. The color is a little bit more intense. The blue from the L'Oreal, while it's a great color and I love wearing it, I do think this is a richer color. The blue from Colourpop is a richer color. Look at how bright that color is. Love this one. So that one is Blew Your Mind. And of course it comes in the matching shade label on the box, right? The next one I'm going to show you, which one should I do next? I'll do the red one. Now red is a very tricky color. You don't find a lot of makeup, especially eye makeup, in red tones because of the pigments that you have to use to make red. But I'm glad that they brought out this red color. It's called Left on Red. So again, comes in the matching red iridescent, red foil decoration on the cap, and this red color here. Now I did find that with this red color, that while it was very red, it was not as intense of a red as this blue was. So I think this will be a great mascara to wear during the day if you're at work and you're looking for something a little bit more subdued. This I think, would be a great color. Yes, it's obviously red, but it's not that fire engine bright shiny red. It's a little bit more subdued. So it's something that you can wear, I would say, even on an everyday basis with your regular neutral makeup looks, and it would just give you that pop of color. Now reds pair very well with green toned eyeshadows. So if you have even like a green liner and you pair it with this red color, that will look incredible. They'll make each other pop. So you can see the green of the eyeliner and the red of the mascara. So that is Left on Red. The next one that I'm going to show you is going to be the pink one. And it's called Pink Ink. Ink as in INC, like incorporated. Again, foil pink finish. And this is what it looks like. A really nice pink color. I know that last year Dior brought out a limited edition mascara collection and they did have a pink color. So this reminds me of this particular one. So this pink is more, I would say, a pastel pink, but not a bright pastel. It's kind of right in between of being a pastel and a more neutral subdued color. You definitely see that it's pink, but it is not super bright either. I did find that the color differentiation between the pink and the red was not that great. The pink looks like a slightly lighter version of the red. I would have preferred if this one was more of an electric pink, so it would look almost not fluorescent but super bright. This is described as a magenta on the website. Yeah, but I think magenta is when I think magenta, I think of a richer color. So while this is really great and you can see the pinkness, I do think it could have been richer in tone, if that makes any sense. But again, another color that you can wear on an everyday basis to give you that pop of color. Now, pink is a combination of red and white. So again, a color like this will look really good with yellows, with greens, and I would say even blues as well. It will look good with primary colors and colors that are complementary to reds, which are greens and ochre kind of colors. So have a lot of fun pairing different color combinations with these mascaras. So that's Pink Ink. The next two mascaras I think are, apart from the blue one, are my favorite of the bunch. And I will go next with the Purple Prose. Now they call this purple, but it's really a lavender color. And I've shown you this one before in the video. This is a lavender color. This is very, very pastel. And I think because it's such a light color, it really pops against your lashes. So you see you're obviously wearing something pastel. You're obviously wearing something that is very noticeable. This color and the next color are more noticeable on the lashes than the other two. So this is why I think I prefer them. Lavender, beautiful color. Really, really great color. I wouldn't call it purple. It is definitely a lavender color. And this is Purple Prose. And the last color that I am going to talk to you about or show you is a teal color. And this one is called, where's my teal? It's called Kissing Teal. Again, shade label on the box. And then when you open it, this bright teal pastel color. You see how bright that looks against my skin? Definitely one of my favorite of the bunch. This is teal, and it shows up really well on the skin, especially if you have darker skin. Loved this color, loved how it looked against my lashes, and this one and the blue one and the lavender one are my favorites. Now again, I only wear these colors, and those are the 5 colors that I have. I only wear these colors for the color and not from the volume. I did put this through my regular go to the gym, go to dance class, sweat wear test, and it held up pretty well. I did not really get too much flaking after taking a 2-hour dance class, and it also, the color intensity also stayed throughout the day. So when I came home and I was ready to take off my makeup, the color was still there. A lot of times with these colored mascaras, they'll look great in the tube, they'll look great on your lashes, and then they'll fade in intensity during the day. And I absolutely hate that. This, so far, I'm going to put it through more testing, but this so far looks as if the color intensity maintains throughout the time that you're wearing it. This one and the Sephora mascaras, I found are some of the 2 best performing mascaras, especially at the intensity of some of these shades. So it got good points for that. I'm going to continue wearing it. I need to wear it in a more humid, hot climate to see how it would perform, because right now where I am, it is brick outside, but it held up well in a dance class. So good points for that. Now, one of my last tips before I go is that because some of these because I pair some of these colors with a black mascara, I don't want to kind of contaminate the color by dipping it into the tube, applying it to the lashes that have black mascara, and then putting it back in. So I recommend, if you want to maintain the integrity of the shade throughout the wear, that you use disposable mascara ones, or better yet, you can use something like a fan brush. I have a fan brush here from Delium Tools. So basically you just apply, you open the mascara, you kind of brush the fan along the bristles, and then you can use it to kind of paint the color on the lashes. So that's the way I think I'm going to maintain the integrity of the color throughout the wear. So my recommendations, definitely check out these mascaras at $8. You can't go wrong. That's basically a drugstore price. And it's one of the better colored mascaras that I have used. Definitely check out my other video that I mentioned before with some of the other colored mascaras that I have bought and tried out. Definitely try these out. You can buy a set for, I believe it's $50, which is a discount from if you buy them all individually at $8 a piece. So check these out. I really liked these. This was not sponsored, obviously. I bought these myself. And let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite color combination when it comes to colored mascaras and eyeshadows. I want to hear what you say. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know what you think. And if you want to see a look where I'm using a colored mascara, a full look, let me know in the comments as well. I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, laters.